Hello, good evening, guys. In today's very video edition, I want to teach you guys something very important. Have you ever sat down to wonder one of the most inexpensive automotive parts or component that creates more problem that doesn't even fit the costs of that very part? A lot of you guys oftentimes make a mistake or just intentionally just clean it and put it back. This causes a whole lot of poor throttle response, hesitation upon acceleration. It also goes further also into making your mass airflow sensor to be ineffective by clogging up the mass airflow sensor, so it starts sending a false reading to the ECM, which helps to ruin your air fuel ratio and turn your car into fuel guzzler. Now, a lot of you guys are gonna say, well, it's only for car. How about my bike? Well, your motorbike is not out of it, in as much as you're having internal combustion engine. And where is this part here? Is right in underneath your hood. There's a lot of problem which this very component here cause, which a lot of you guys don't have a clue of. Most oftentimes, a lot of you guys might have spent a lot of money replacing one part or another, and after all that, the most interesting part is your car is still having poor throttle response, engine lacks power, hesitation upon acceleration, too much fuel consumption. However, this is the most inexpensive part that gets forgotten by like 95% of car owners. And like I said, this component is very, very terrible when it starts creating problem inside your automotive system. It takes a lot of experience because you're not going to see any error code concerning that you have a dirty or clogged air filter. And the worst of all, why I decided I want to make this very video is that 95% people will actually dust this off and put it back in there. But however, this is where things get interesting. The manufacturer chiseled some mileage that is allotted for you to replace your air filter. Now, a lot of you guys are gonna think, oh, I want to save some. No, hold it right there. It's not every time you want to save money, because there are some certain time in your vehicle life that this very air filter will acquire some micro deck that stick right in there. No matter how you use a hot blower or whichever high pressure air to blow this off, you never get them out completely. So the best thing to do is to kindly replace it and not put it back in the sitting. Now, a lot of you guys who might be thinking, well, I want to save this. Let me be clear. Poor throttle response, engine underperformance, too much fuel consumption, and a host of other problems that are actually lurking behind this very little and the most inexpensive part of your vehicle cause more problem than it play. So kindly replace it, and you're gonna see a whole lot of improvement in your engine performance and better gas mileage than you have ever seen before. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like and share with others. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. I remain Dr. Quarterfix.